In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to synchronize your voice recorded in some other device with your video. It usually happens to be a very long and critical process for video editors, but with the help of Movavi software, we can do it just by one click. So let's begin. I'm on my Movavi home screen right now. You need to have two files. So likewise, I have this video clip, audio, which is not that loud. So let me just show you how does it sound at this moment. Let me unpin the player from here like so and show you how is it sounding. If you want to know how did I create a beautiful photo slideshow like this, then make sure you watch this video till the end. And the software which I have been using for this is Movavi software. So let's begin. Right? So this is one audio with video. Now, while I was recording this, I have also exported my another only MP3 file, which is just the audio file. This green one is the only audio file and this one with video. So what I'll have to do is keep both the things selected and then go to this last option, More Tool option, and from there go to this audio editing option. Here you get the option of synchronization. Just go to this synchronization option and click on synchronize. In a blink, it will sync both the audio files. So you will have to just mute the audio file which is attached to your video and then listen to it and check if it is properly adjusted or not. So I'll just show you how is it sounding. If you want to know how did I create a beautiful photo slideshow like this, then make sure you watch this video till the end. And the software which I have been using for this is Movavi software. So let's begin. Just right click on this video, on this audio part, just left click on this audio section here and press delete. Now you can export it by clicking on this export option and change the file name. Save the location, select the location, browse it. It will show you the location, the drive where you want to save it. Keep it on high, this high quality option, and then just start exporting. That's all. If you liked my video of audio synchronization, do let me know in the comment section for which kind of a video you have been using this trick and how your voiceover or your audio synchronization has turned out to be. Today till here, by the way, if you really want to know how I created this slideshow which has been shown in this tutorial, then make sure you watch that video at the end screen, as well as you will get that link in the description box. Hoping you're doing really well as a video editor. I will see you on my next tutorial, which should be a lot of fun. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.